Hey guys, Spartan here from SpartanTrading.com for your weekly educational video, which we're bringing back. I want to talk today about inside and outside days, just very quickly talk about why they matter and how to actually look for them. So inside and outside days will dictate how you are going to trade intraday during that day. Typically when we have an inside day, the market's going to be stuck within a range. Most names are going to be stuck within a range as well. And that means you're going to be more of like a scalp mindset, going to be trading more so off of the highs and the lows rather than looking for trends to trade off of. The probability of those trends working won't be as high as actually trading off the highs and lows of that actual range for the market that day. Thus, you're going to have better risk reward as well with those types of trade types, which I'll show you in just a second. Outside days are going to be more so breakout days to the upside or the downside when you actually get follow through on not only the market but individual names as well. Of course, within this there could be relative strength and relative weakness compared to the market, but for the most part, the market and all the names are going to be trading within sympathy of each other. So, what is an outside day? What is an inside day? Now, if you look at the SPY here, we have this green line and this purple line. This green line indicates last day's high. This purple line that indicates last day's low. When we talk about an inside day, it means we're trading within last day's high and low range. We're trading an outside day. We're trading outside of last day's high and low range. So you can see here the market was, basically, pushing to the upside, and it was consolidating right below last day's high, and then it did break out and ended up getting quite a bit of continuation here. This is because of NVIDIA's earnings after hours, by the way. If you're looking at this video, it's a little bit old. If we look at other days, we can see in the past where the market basically almost every single day this week traded outside of the range. We got nice continuation and a lot of range and volatility to the upside. We haven't seen in the last, I guess, 3-4 days of it trade with on an inside day. But if we do look at the past here, we can see this as an example as an inside day. So here we had the range up here at 448.97 and the outside, or the bottom end of the range, 445.27. And we can see that the market shopped around within this range that day. So when we do have an inside day, how do we trade this? Instead, what we're going to be wanting to do is buy off the bottom end of the range and sell off the top of the range. If we do that, then we should have a really nice risk reward, risking just below that bottom end range or risking just above that top end range as we're shorting. And we should get some nice continuation in either direction. In a tape like today, this is the type of tape where you're going to want to be trading the flag breaks, trading off of the EMA support test long. For me, a couple different trade types to look at, trade ideas that we had at off this little flag break when we did pull back to this EMA support here. The simple range break to the upside for a rolling of an SPX or a SPY contract can certainly be a useful tool. But if you can recognize inside and outside days, guys, you'll have a better chance and a higher probability of having successful trades on that day. Worth noting that there are going to be names that are just going to have an outlier day, like let's say you're trading the SPY, it's inside, but NVIDIA is ripping to the upside. That's going to be a relative strength name. It's not going to trade with the market, so you treat it as relative strength, relative weakness type of name, which is going to be a trending type of name with a lot of range. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped. Just a quick little breakdown of what an inside and outside day is and how I go after them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to SpartanTrading.com. If you guys want more information, you can come into the masterclass. I teach you guys exactly what I'm doing in regards to my system strategy and all this stuff in depth. This is just one tiny puzzle piece of the system. So anyways, guys, have a good one. Enjoy. Come trade with us live, SpartanTrading.com. Have a great one.